If you need to refund a Hostinger subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full refund process step by step so you can request your money back quickly and correctly. Whether you accidentally renewed a plan, picked the wrong service, or just changed your mind, this guide will show you exactly where to click inside your Hostinger account. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser, go to Hostinger, and sign in with the account that was used to purchase the subscription. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll want to head over to the billing area, look for billing, and then click on Payment History. This section is where Hostinger keeps track of your invoices and past payments, so it's the right place to begin when you want to request a refund. Now, in the Payment History section, find the invoice for the subscription you want to refund. Keep in mind that refund eligibility is usually tied to recent purchases, so in this case, you should look for the invoice from within the last 30 days. If you're checking multiple payments, make sure you choose the correct one. This is important because the refund request has to match the exact service you paid for. Once you locate the right invoice, click the refund option. Hostinger will then open the refund flow and ask you to continue. At this point, you may see a list of services connected to that payment. Select the service you want to refund and then click Next to move forward. Take a second to double check your selection so you don't request a refund for the wrong product or plan. After that, Hostinger will ask you to choose a refund method. Depending on the payment type and service, the available options may vary, so review them carefully. Select the refund method that works best for you and then continue to the final step. Before submitting, it's always a good idea to quickly review the request details one more time so everything is accurate. When you're ready, click Submit Request. Hostinger will process your refund request and you should receive confirmation that it has been sent. From there, the refund will usually be reviewed and handled according to Hostinger's refund policy and the original payment method used. If you don't see the refund right away, don't worry, because processing times can vary depending on your bank or payment provider. And that's it. You've now learned how to refund a Hostinger subscription in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with another quick and easy how-to guide.